Hi, my name is Dr. Kaustubha. I'm the director of Hexagon Water Science Private Limited. We at Hexagon will manufacture alkaline and hydrogen ionizers, which is the best drinking water, and it will be giving you the potential antioxidants to promote good health for everybody. In this machines, we will be providing you the pH alkaline water up to 6.5 to 8.5. You can see here, this is the pH of the water. So this is the regular tap water pH, which is at 7, which is neutral. Once it runs through RO system, the one which you are using at home, it will become acidic. But this is not safe for us and it's very dangerous to drink. So once if you take from our machine, if you connect the tap water, it will be converted into alkaline water or slightly alkaline water, which is best for drinking and will be helping in gastric problems and other symptoms. Along with that, we are also providing antioxidants with the help of hydrogen in this machine, which will be giving the, it will be helping in treating and preventing almost 200 plus diseases. Starting from diabetes, hypertension, the basic complex, up till cancer and other higher complex as well. So this is how we will start it. This is the button. If you just click on, the machine starts running and you will be finding the hydrogen content in the water. I'll show you. So this is the molecular hydrogen, the hydrogen content in the water. So once if you start drinking this water, it will be helping in any conditions in your body. It will detox your body. It will also help in weight loss, heart issues and all other complaints. So this machine, how it works, if I want to brief it out, we will connect the direct tap water to this machine. Inside there are sophisticated filter candles which will be filtering the water, and this has a 6,000 liters of water filtration capacity. And after that, there is a process called ionization where the water will be electrolyzed, and with the help of electricity, we will be splitting the water into hydrogen and ozone gas, and that hydrogen is infused into the water, and that is how you will be getting the hydrogenated water. So this is a one-stop solution for all your health conditions. We are providing the machines at its 1/3 cost, and also the running cost very less, so that it is affordable for every Indian and for every Indian. So this is made in India and for Indians. Thank you.